Well, it happened. Modern Warfare 2's multiplayer is finally getting more viewership. Also, Last of Us is still a ported mess, and we're getting a new Nintendo Switch game, N64 Classic. So let's check it out. Modern Warfare 2 overtakes Warzone Twitch viewership as multiplayer finally usurps, that means take over or have power of, Battle Royale. This comes from Deserto. We'll go over this really quickly. So Modern Warfare 2 had higher viewership in March 2023 than Warzone 2. For the first time, the regular multiplayer game has beaten the Battle Royale outside of launch since 2020. So, and it brings up really good points. Issues with movement mechanics. I know a lot of people haven't been happy with it, but I think they did on one of the updates. They did kind of like make some sort of adjustments, I believe. TTK, time to kill. You're always going to have those meta weapons. They're going to be releasing new weapons each season. They want you to play them. So you know that one or a few of those weapons are going to be the meta weapons. How do you balance these things out in Warzone? I don't know. I don't think it's an easy task. I don't think... Well, I go back and forth wondering if they intentionally make... I think they intentionally make certain weapons better. So you could buy the DLC. But that's my opinion. And then let's see here. And players were first introduced to El Mazrah, resulting in a declining player base and considerable number of frustrated players, both with elites and pros. Now, this is what I find interesting because I've heard from quite a bit from just a couple of people that I play with and their friends. People are heading back to Warzone 1. Not only that, I actually reinstalled 2019 Modern Warfare so I could play 2v2s and 3v3s. Where's our 2v2s and 3v3s that were announced back when the earlier this year? Where's that? Where's, you know? So me personally, I've been playing a lot of the multiplayer. I've been enjoying the multiplayer much more. I mute my mic. I mute any other people talking, and I work on leveling up guns. And it's just way more of a better experience, especially in the morning when I stream it on TikTok. So yeah, this doesn't surprise me. Here they have the graph, which, I mean, great, they have something to go by, but I'm not gonna go over the graph. What I do want to talk about still is the Naughty Dog fiasco that is the PC port of The Last of Us. Coming from, and not only that, and this comes from Push Square, the Steam Deck isn't even officially supported, or verified, I should say, the Steam stamp of approval for it to even run on the Steam Deck. So this is a bit of a mess. I mean, listen, ladies and gentlemen, they're going to fix this. It's just not obviously ideal. You ask yourself, well, why did they release it if to download and play and purchase if it's not running? Well, because investors and promises and times. But Naughty Dog on the 3rd here said, a reminder, this is a tweet, a reminder that we will have a new hotfix live for The Last of Us Part 1 on PC tomorrow, which is today. We will share patch notes with hotfixes when the hotfix is live and let you know some of what to expect in Friday's patch ahead of its launch. And then they do go here to reiterate that they're getting it ready. People want to play on the Steam Deck, but they're prioritizing fixes and patches before submitting for verification. We'll keep you updated of its Steam Deck status as we continue to improve PC version. Yeah, so, and it's getting, oh, here it is. It's currently at a 58 score at Metacritic. And, but they, regardless of how long you played the game, they're giving people who purchase the game a full refund. Normally, there's on Steam, you can only play a game for so long. So they're like, no, we're not going to give you your money back. I had to do that for 2 games. won't say which two because they were very popular and everyone loved them, and I absolutely. So, you know what, folks? You just got to give it more time. When will this be fixed? Maybe in a month. Maybe in 2 weeks. But, you know, we just have to be patient. And it'll get fixed. I mean, look at Cyberpunk. I don't know about... when I barely ran into any issues when I got Cyberpunk on PC. I really feel for the console players, but I was enjoying the hell out of that game. So, anyways, I got lucky. And then here's a fun one. Pokemon Stadium coming to the N64 Switch library. I have not played Pokemon Stadium because I was too broke to even buy the game when it came out. And I never got to enjoy this. And here's the wonderful thing. So it will have online multiplayer, which is going to be great. Nintendo expands the Switch on N64 library. Now this is coming via Nintendo Life, which I love this website. Really good one, nintendolife.com. I definitely recommend you guys go check that out. But it's coming out the 12th of April. And here it goes. Includes selection of solo and multiplayer modes, including mini games. But here's the big kicker, and I don't even know how they're going to make this work. Please note, you cannot transfer Pokemon from Game Boy titles in this version. How would they be able to do this? I don't know. I really don't know. But actually, when did they? Do they have a list of more games coming? Oh, this is from September. Anyways, so yeah, I'm excited for this. All in all, you know, things are moving and grooving, baby. Jeez. What do you guys think? Are you playing more multiplayer instead of Warzone, or have you gone back to Modern Warfare 2019? How disappointed are you with the fact that The Last of Us is just an absolute fiasco? What about Pokemon? Because we all love a good Pokemon game. Leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. That's some news. See you soon.